I'm right here at Rock City Harley-Davidson, and they just got in a couple motorcycles here. I'm going to take a walk around. Won't be able to test drive them, but it should be pretty neat. And one of them is the new Pan Am, and the other is the Electra Glide Revival. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, alright. Don't see them. I don't see him out on the floor. Okay, where's those new motorcycles that were just posted online?
They're already in service, man.
In service?
Yeah, go to service.
With your
crazy
they let me in
camera.
there? Yeah.
Go talk
I came to look at
to
them.
Joe. Tell him who you are, Benny.
I'm nobody.
Yeah, you're Benny. You got me on candid camera?
Yeah.
How's it going, world?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Jonathan Martinez.
And what do you do?
I'm the business manager here at Rock City. This is my buddy Chris.
And there's Chris.
Motorcycle specialist. We got Lance.
And
we got Mr. Nate.
Give me a chance.
And we got Kenny Wayne.
All right. So they got him back in service?
Yes, sir.
Man, they just posted that 15 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah.
I ran right over here to just
Yeah.
take pictures of them because I'm getting ready to go to West Virginia.
Awesome.
So they ain't going to let me in back there.
Good to see you, Benny.
Good to see you, too.
Yes, sir.
Well, we'll see what happens. I doubt if they'll let me look at them. Those two bikes back here in service. The Pan Am and...
Pan Am's back there, the Electra Glide is outside, out back.
Is it? Let's go take a look at it. Around the back. I'm gonna look back. There it is. Are you taking it in already?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, this might be the only chance I get to look at it.
We'll get a picture of it.
Yeah. Well, here it is, folks. The Revival. I just got it off the truck this morning, right? And it's looking pretty sweet. Sort of like the old ones. Had to rush out. Ready. The tape off of you. Okay, take her away. Ah, heck. Well, I didn't get to see the Pan Am. They got it back there servicing. I barely got to see the Revival. And anyway, that's the first look. I'm heading out of town, going to a funeral. My sister-in-law passed away, and so both of the bikes will probably be gone when I get back. And of course, only one Revival is going to, where are all those people going? There's only one Revival is going to each dealership, up to 1,500 of them, and which kind of makes it pretty rare. But you know, when the Electra Glide came out in 1969, I believe they only made about 3,500 of them. So a real 1969 Revival might be just as rare as this Revival. And, you know, any that are still left standing. Anyways, hippie biker freak, if you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share and subscribe.